Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and you are watching Noorani Qaida lessons. Inshallah, in this class we are going to continue the previous lesson. Keep watching this tutorial till the end. Let us start now. I will read first. You have to repeat after me. And after that, inshallah, you will be able to read this lesson yourself and remember the rules which will come, like mother letters, stop signs, how to stop, bold letters, qalqala letters. Okay, so everything you have to check that and read accordingly. Now I start. Waw, lam, fatha, wal. Look, here we are not reading alif. Right, we are not saying wow, alif, fatha, wa. Why? The reason is that after the alif, the next letter has a sukoon sign. So that's why in Arabic grammar, if two sakin letters come together, if there is any madda letter like alif, waw or ya, so then we skip that one and then read the second letter. That's why alif we are skipping from here, and waw we are connecting with the lam. That's why this alif we do not read. So we say waw, lam, fatha, wal, fa, ta, fatha, fat, wal, fat, ha, dhamma, hu, wal, fathu, wal, fathu. The next is واو لام فتحة وال عين صاد فتحة عص والعص را كسرة ري والعصر والعصر ميم كسرة مي نون لام فتحة نل مينل ميم عين ضمة مع من المع صاد كسرة صي من المعصي را standing فتحة را من المعصرة تا كسرتي من المعصرات من المعصرات ميم فتحة ما عين لام فتحة عل معل عين سين ضم عس مع العس را كسرة ري مع العسر مع العسر ميم لام فتحة مل قاف ألف فتحة قا مل قا را كسرة ري مل قاري عين فتحة ع مل قارعة تا ضمة مل قارعة مل قارعة. And here is two stop signs. The one is circle and the second is a little ta. So when these signs come, we stop there, and if we stop anywhere, then we see the last letter. So here is the last letter is ta, which is in ha shape. So this ta we call ta marbuta. So in this case we convert this ta into ha, right? So we do not read ta then, and also we will skip this dhamma from this place. Instead of this dhamma, we will put a sukoon sign on the ha, right? So then this ayn we connect with the ha only when we stop. As we say, Ain, Ha, Fatha, Ah, right? And then we say together, Mal Qari'ah, Mal Qari'ah. So remember, in ta marbuta, we make two changes. The one ta we convert into ha, and second, this if there is any sign on that ta, on ta marbuta, like fatha, kasra, dhamma, double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma, so we skip that and then we put there a sukoon sign. Then we read with stop like mal qari'ah. And if we want to continue, so then we read all together Mal Qari'atu. Then we read Ta marbuta. The next is Waw Fatha Wa, Hamza Kasra I, Wa I, Zal Lam Fatha Zal, Wa Izal, Mim Waw Fatha Maw, Wa Izal Maw. So this Waw is Wawleen, as fatha is followed by waw sakin, so we make soft sound. Hamza inverted dhamma, oo, so we long one alif here. Wa idhal maw'u, dal fathata, wa idhal maw'uda, ta dhammatu, wa idhal maw'udatu, وَإِذَا الْمَوْءُودَةُ. And the next is Ya Noon Fathayan, Wa Dhammaru, Yanzu, Ra Lam Dhammarul, Yanzurul, Mim Ra Fathamar, Yanzurul Mar, Hamza Dhamma'u, ينظر المرء, ينظر المرء. So in spelling, only read the next letter and then connect with the previous, then next letter, then with the previous. So this is the way of spelling into words. And the next is Kaf Lam Fatha Kal, Fa Fatha Fa, Kal Fa, Ra alif fatha ra. This is alif madda here. We long here one alif. Kal fara. Shin lam kasra shil. Kal farashil. Mim ba fatha mab. Kal farashil mab. Sa waw dhamma su. كالفراش المبثوث سا كسرة ثي كالفراش المبثوث. Here is waw madda, and in the previous this is ba, which is kalkala letter, so we make kalkala sound like echo sound, bouncing, and then we long here كالفراش المبثوث. Kaf Lam Fatha Kal, Ain Ha Kasra Ih, Kal Ih, Noon Lam Kasra Nil, Kal Ih Nil, Mim Noon Fatha Man, Kal Ih Nil Man, Fa Waw Dhamma Fu, Kal Ih Nil Manfu, Shin kasra shi, kal'ihnil manfush. If we stop, we say manfush, as we skip this kasra under the shin and then we put there the sukoon sign, like we are skipping this kasra from this place and then we will put only sukoon sign on the shin when we stop, as we say manfush. كالعهن المنفوش. لام يا فتحة لي, لام فتحة لا, ليلى, this ya is yalin. Ta lam dhammatul, laylatul. Qaf dal fatha qad, laylatul qad. را کسرہ ری لیلۃ القدری لیلۃ القدری حمزہ خا فتحہ اخ را فتحہ را اخرا جیم فتحہ جا اخرج تا لام کسرہ تل اخرجت حمزہ را فتحہ ار اخرجت الارض ضاد ضمہ دو اخرجت الارض اخرجت الارض میم نون کسرہ من حمزہ ہا فتحہ من لام لام کسرہ لل من اہلل کاف کسرہ کی من اہلل کی تا اسٹینڈنگ فتحہ تا من اہلل کتاب با کسرہ بی من اہلل کتابی من اہلل کتابی عین نون کسرہ عین دال فتحہ دا عند ذال لام کسرہ ذل عند ذل عین را فتحہ عر عند ذل عر شین کسرہ شی عند ذل عرش عند ذل عرش یا میم فتحہ یم نون فتحہ نا یمنا عین واو ضمہ عو یمنعو نون لام فتحہ نل یمنعونل this is waw madda here میم الف فتحہ ما عین واو ضمہ عو ماعو نون فتحہ نا ma'una and there is a stop sign. If we stop, we do not read this fatha sign on the noon and then only we put here a sukoon sign on the noon instead of this fatha. So then we say ma'un and we read all together yamna'una al-ma'un. So only we long on madda letters, like this waw is a madda, dhamma is followed by waw sakin. Similarly the next here is again waw madda and there is alif after fatha sign. So we long as well here. Yamna'un al-ma'un. Waw fatha wa ha dhamma hu wa hu واو لام فتحہ ول وہول غین فتحہ غا وہول غا فا واو ضمہ فو غفو را لام ضمہ رل غفور واو فتحہ وا دال واو ضمہ دو ودو dal dhamma du wadudu. So we say all together wa huwal ghafurul wadudu wa huwal ghafurul wadudu. So on both places in ghafu there is waw madda and in wadu here is waw madda as well. Zal lam dhamma zul. As you can see here, the waw is not a sakin. That's why we will not long here, as dhamma is not followed by waw sakin. So this is simple waw. So then zal we connect with the lam, which has a sukoon sign. Zal lam dhamma zul, ain ra fatha ar, zul ar, sheen lam kasra shil, Dhul arshil mim fatha ma jim ya kasra ji This is ya madda now here. The kasra is followed by ya sakin. That's why we long here of one alif. Maji, dal damma du, majidu. So we say now Dhul Arshil Majidu, Dhul Arshil Majidu. Lam fatha la, qaf dal fatha qad, laqad. Kha fatha kha, lam qaf fatha laq, khalaq. Noon lam fatha nal, khalaqnal. Hamza noon kasra in, sin alif fatha sa, insa. Noon fatha na, insana. Fa ya mad kasra fi. Here is ya madda. Kasra is followed by ya sakin, and ya has also a mad sign. This is a little mad, which we also say madde munfasil. This mad we long 2 to 3 seconds. So we say fi, fi. Hamza ha zabar ah, fi ah. Sin fatha sa, fi ahsa. Noon kasrani, fi ahsani. Ta qaf fatha taq, waw ya kasra vi, taqwi. Mim double kasra min, taqwi min, taqwi min. And look at here, again circle sign, which is a stop sign. Here we will stop now. So when we stop, we see the last letter. If the last letter has a double kasra there, so you will skip that double kasra and only put a sukoon sign on that letter like this. And this double kasra will be removed from this place. And then we say taqweem. So this is complete now. I say together. لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم. لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم. همزة عين فتحة أع، طا يا فتحة طي، أعطي. This ya is yalin. We make the soft sound. Noon standing fatha na, a'tayna. Kaf lam fatha kal, a'tayna kal. Kaf waw fatha kaw, sa fatha sa, kaw sa. Ra fatha ra, kaw sa ra. And if we stop here, then we say kawthar, kawthar. So now I say the whole. أعطيناك الكوثر, أعطيناك الكوثر. Hamza, Lam. First we read the letters and then we say the mad sign name, and then in the end standing fatha. So we say Hamza, Lam, Mad, standing fatha, al. First we long and then we connect, as here is a big mad. So first we long here and then we connect, al. Hamza standing fatha, a, al, a. Noon fatha na, al, ana, al, ana. So Alhamdulillah, we have finished this lesson of Sukoon. I hope you understand how to read this Sukoon sign in the word. And if you have any kind of question about Sukoon sign, please leave a message in comments below, and inshallah I will reply to you soon. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.